Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. If you want to go ahead and join our group and be connected to us on a regular basis, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment and in the description of the video. The group serves as a platform for being updated with stock market information at the earliest, get your queries answered, and also share knowledge. Now in this video, we'll be talking about a very high quality company which Saurabh Mukherjea has admitted to buying in some of his client portfolios. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is Maruti Suzuki India Limited, which is available at Rs 5,838.30 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is MARUTI. Now Maruti Suzuki India Limited is a holding company engaged in the manufacture, purchase and sale of motor vehicles, components and spare parts. The other activities of the company comprise facilitation of pre-owned car sales, fleet management and car financing. Keeping with the times where there is an auto slowdown, this company's chart also reveals somewhat of an underperformance over the last 1 year. Now speaking on a recent television interview, Saurabh Mukherjea went on to confess that in some of their client portfolios, they have bought Maruti after a long time. He went on to say that he was buying Maruti after a period of around 3 years, and his hypothesis was that the car sector and the passenger vehicle sector will consolidate around Maruti, Toyota as one consortium, and Hyundai and Kia as the other. He went on to say that if there are two strong players, there will be strong barriers to entry around these two players. Maruti caters to the cheaper segment of the car market, which could be resilient. He went on to say that he feels that the industry is starting to become very attractive. He further added that he does not see mad discounting in the passenger vehicle market, and as rural demand and interest rates become favorable, Maruti should be in a good spot. Now the company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 1,76,000 plus crores. The EPS of 187.90 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 31.07, which is largely in line with the industry price to earnings ratio of 33.52. The price to book ratio of 3.57 is however slightly expensive. The company has a dividend yield of around 1%, whereas the promoter holding is slightly better than average at 56.28%, out of which nothing is blessed. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.